Hello friends, Jai Bhim everyone. This is Komali Ambedkar. Friends, I came on social media for respond about the one sad incident was registered from the Hyderabad city, and the heartbroken news was came on the newspaper. They were published on the newspaper, and the melancholy the miserable minutes they were paged, and melancholy position was registered, and the so sorrowful incident came on the light. Friends, that one well new incident. When I knew about the incident, really I sad about and I came for respond. The torrential rain guttered to citizen of the Hyderabad that lashed thoroughly. One of the incident was registered from the Musirabad. Uh, one person, his name was Muhammad Sharifuddin, 27-year-old man. Uh, he was knocked away with the gushy water. Friends, he was went for on his duty, where he was did the duty. Friends, that one is his duty, uh, Balan Nagar. He doing the duty, and his home, the Musirabad. When he completed his duty, he rushily headed his home side. When he hurriedly coming down, that time the Balakpet, there was the water, which was gushy water, that underpass, and he washed away and he knocked away. After the on the Wednesday, that incident happened, registered. The officials, they found him where was the incident occurred. Same place, um, they carried him away him exact 11 p.m. night time. He was riding on his two-wheeler. The two-wheeler knocked away, and he was died. Really I am very sad about you. Why? Because he was a 27-old man. He had a bright future, but unfortunately that gushy water knocked away and guttered him. That one is a really one of the sad news to everyone. And another one, the strong current washed away the another incident. His name Arjun. He was a 26-year-old man, and he they washed away from their home place where they were living. Their home place, Mang Garodi Basti in Hyderabad. When the storm, the heavy water, current water came down, that time they unexpectedly the current washed away them. As same time another boy also, he was a 25-year-old boy. His name Ram. He also same time two boys, they were the current water. The Ramu dragged and dragged away with the storm water. Who was the Arjun? his body retrieved, and his body was received from the Voligonda. 70 kilometer away from there was the body was found, and they retrieved his body, who was the deceased person Arjun, and another boy who was the Ramu. Ram, his body yet to be, they are not ascertained, they hadn't found his body, they are searching. You know who was the Arjun, his body, their relatives, they, his name the Dinesh, he rescued, and he found his body, and he retrieved with the officials, and that one happened, friends. Really, these are really one of the heartbroken incident was registered. Really, I am sad about once. I am, first of all, I am extending my regret, and I am sending my condolence to the who are the deceased, and who are the family members. That one happened, friends. And one suggestion I am giving, you know, everyone, if the citizens found any water, gusty water, and strong current, and perennial rain inundate rain, and logged situation, anyone found this deluged situation, anyone found this situation anywhere where when the rain the incessant rain come, you know, this actually this is a rain season. That is why everyone should be cautious, and be away from the such type of water logged, and where there the water storm going on, water, you know, we are everyone knew about the where there the water stored, where the water logged, you know, why, because we always wander in our area. That is why, you know, that is why we everyone who are the citizens should be cautious, and be away from the such type of situation. This is my humble request to everyone, you know, who are died, the deceased, we couldn't bring back their lives. That is why, you know, before the any incident, we have to be cautious ourselves. This is, and I am asking one question, where is the officials, and where is the disaster force personnel, and where is the rescue team, and where is the hydra, and where is the firefighters, and where is the traffic officers, and where is the road and building officials, and
ministry
road and building minister, where they are. I am asking one question, why they hadn't to take the any responsibility toward the situation, toward the condition, toward the incident. You know, they have to take the responsibility, but they hadn't to. You know, everyone, every department, every the domain, and they carelessly um, left to such type of responsibility. You know, they hadn't take the any responsibility. That is why such type of such kind of incident happening and registering, and the gutterance registering from the especially in our area. That is why, you know, who are the concerned officials and concerned ministers, they have to take the responsibility, and they have to give the caution board, they have to give the alert board, and they have to give the
place how to place on
they have to place the caution board, they have to place the alert board. That is better to everyone, but they hadn't. This is very sad to everyone, you know. That is why everyone should be cautious, and I am demand to government should be give the compensation to them who are deceased person and who are the remaining family members. They are 27, 26, 25 years means they all are the youngsters. They all were youngsters, but they within short they lost their lives. That is why remain who are the family members. They all are the right now all are the on the mourning situation going on. That is why the who are the limits of the MLA and who are the political leaders should be go there and cajole them and should be give the compensation each family for 1 crore rupees. This is my humble demand to government of Telangana. And give the who are the eligible person in their family should be allowed the one job also. This is also my demand to the Telangana government. And should be take the responsibility and should be give the full and pledge the facilities to the citizens and civic person, civic body. That is better to everyone. This is the my today message, friends. Thank you everyone. Jai Bhim. Anyone in your area found such type of incident, such type of situation, should be respond and should be give the message behalf of the incident, behalf of the issues. This is better to everyone. Who are the civic persons, who are the responsible person, who are the who have the responsibility on the society, toward the society. Everyone have the responsibility. Everyone have to give the message. This is good to everyone. That is why I am responding on the especially where there the incident happen, where there the such type of occurrence, gutterance when that registered. Then after when I knew about the incident, I really I respond on the incident. This is the my message, friends. Thank you. JB.